What is this? This is a fish. What are these? These are fish. Small fish? Big fish. What are these? They are fish. Which fish is smaller? This fish is smaller. Which fish is larger? This fish is larger. Small fish, large fish, big fish. Is the small fish smaller than the large fish? Yes, the small fish is smaller. Is the small fish larger than the large fish? No, the small fish is not larger. Is the big fish bigger than the small fish? Yes, the big fish is bigger. Is the big fish smaller than the small fish? No, the big fish is not smaller.